Jai Srimanarayana. 13th sloka of 15th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Gamavisya cha bhutani dharayami ahamojasa पुष्णामि च औषधीः सर्वाः सोमो भूत्वा रसात्मकः। ॐ Realize that and always remember that Sri Krishna Paramatma making his full presence on this earth and supporting you and supporting all beings. Not only that, he is the one nourishing all the medicinal plants. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall always remember that you are the one who is making full presence on this earth and supporting me and supporting all beings. And you are the one who is nourishing all the medicinal plants. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, karishye vachanam tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Udirayet. Om Haraye Namaha. Srimad Bhagavatamu Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 301st day 301. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Savanaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Kaliya's wives praying Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Hrishikesa namastestu munaye maunashiline. Oh Krishna, you are the one who is controlling the senses of all living beings. Such host Sri Krishna, O Hrishikesa, I am doing namaskaram to you. You are the one who remembers those who remembers you. You are the one who does not remember those who does not remember you. Paravaragatijnaya sarvadhyakshaya te namaha. You are the one who is the master of everything. There is no one who is equal to you, who is above you. You are Sarvadhyaksha. Such ho Sri Krishna Paramatma, I am doing namaskaram to you. లోకజనిస్థితి లయములు గైకొని చేయుదువు కాళాకారమున అమోఘ శ్రీ కలితుడవగుచు. ఓ కృష్ణ, unparalleled controlling power you have. There is no one who can obstruct that. And without seeking any fruits, without any expectation, you are the one who creates this entire universe, who sustains this entire universe, and who withdraws this entire universe. Such ho Sri Krishna, I am doing namaskaram to you. Shanta ashanta vuta mudhayo nayaha. You are the one who is indwelling in everyone, those who are not at peace, those who are stupid, those who are intellectuals, those who wants you. In everyone, you are the one who is indwelling. Such O Antaryami, Ho Sri Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I am doing namaskaram to you. Like that Kaliya's wives praying Sri Krishna Paramatma. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Haraye Namaha. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. कृष्णे नामरशत्रवो विनिहताः कृष्णाय तस्मै नमः. कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं. कृष्णे तिष्ठति विश्वमेतदखिलं. हे कृष्ण संरक्ष माम्. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 15th chapter 13th श्लोका. गामाविश्य च भूतानि धारयामि अहमोजसा. पुष्णामि च औषधीः सर्वाः सोमो भूत्वा रसात्मकः. गामाविश्य च भूतानि धारयामि अहमोजसा. पुष्णामि च औषधीः सर्वाः सोमो भूत्वा रसात्मकः. श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.